Alright, welcome everyone. We're here at Lamma Island. Just arrived. Đại ca hữu một tí căm nạ hệ Lamma Tổ. We're gonna be hiking today. So over there is the main dock, or one of the main piers, and then that cluster of buildings is where all the seafood restaurants are. There's probably like 5 in a row. Alright, so as we're walking along the family path, I think that's the path between the two ports, we pass by this massive cave here. I think it's partially man-made. According to the sign, it's known as a kamikaze grotto, and the Japanese were stationed around here and dug these out to, well, the plan was to put in boats that they would just like send out on suicide missions. Right here is another one. It goes quite deep. So one interesting thing about this island is that cars are not allowed, and so only authorized motorized vehicles are allowed, and that is apparently one of them, and it just looks basically like they put a little motor and they built the car themselves. Alright, so along the way you'll find some rest stops like this one of the nicer ones. There's not too much uphill. I think this total walk is only about 2 miles, and it is called the family walk, so I assume it's pretty mild. Looking at the elevation, it's basically nothing compared to Big Buddha or Victoria Peak if you've done either of those hikes. So we have this and we have this. This or this. Alright, so I'm going down the less beaten path as usual. It is narrow enough for one person. Alright, so the sign up there was right. There is no view down here. It's covered with trees. We just went down this side to the pavilion. We're going back on the family trail. This trail was completed in 1996 when I was 2 years old. So here we are at a nice beach next to the power plant. A lot of the food stalls are closed today. I think if I came on the weekend it would be a lot more crowded and there'd be a lot more food options. I'm hoping that the tofu place is open today. I see it on Google Maps, but given that most things are closed, we'll see. we've reached the village. I think we're almost at the next port, which means a ship back. It's another one of those things. They drive awfully close. All right, so I passed by a bakery. Here's another egg tart. Let's see how they are on this island. It doesn't feel very warm.
We have nut biscuits in the house.
Disappointing, to be honest.